Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. The State of Idaho filed an objection to defendant's motion to compel ICR 16b7 materials and for sanctions. In that document, at page 8, the State of Idaho disclosed exhibits S's and Sam 10, S's and Sam 13, and S's and Sam 14, that the disclosures were for forensic detectives who specifically listed each forensic item to which the witnesses would testify regarding. Moving forward now to a brand new order that has been entered on the docket that was disclosed on the public docket dated January 13th, 2025. Judge Stephen Hippler has now rendered an order sealing the state's amended expert disclosures as they relate to Lawrence Mowery, S as in Sam 10 only of that group. It says here, based on the state's stipulated motion to seal state's amended expert disclosure. So the state has gone and amended, added to their expert disclosures as it relates to S10, which is Moscow Police Department Detective Lawrence Mowery, who previously testified in this case before Judge John Judge prior to change of venue. In any event, going back to this order, based upon the state's stipulated motion to seal state's amended expert disclosure regarding Lawrence Mowery, S's and Sam 10, relating to the expert disclosures, ladies and gentlemen, and all attached exhibits filed herein, and no objection from the defense, the court does hereby confirm and order that the state's amended expert disclosure as it relates to Lawrence Mowery and all attached exhibits are exempt from disclosure to the public is what this means. And sealed, capital letters, pursuant to Idaho Court Administrative Rule 32G1 and I2E for the reasons stated in the motion. So ordered, 1/13/25, denoting the date that this order was entered by Judge Stephen J. Hippler. He is, of course, the presiding jurist over the case styled as State of Idaho versus Brian C. Kohberger. Now, in looking at this rule, which the Rule 32 allows a court to enter orders withholding documents from the public, it is Rule 32 items that can be withheld from public disclosure, and specifically court records. If you go down to 32G1, it is very interesting here to me because these documents are described in the rule as documents and records to which access is otherwise restricted by state or federal law. This order does not say which state or federal law authorized Judge Hippler to withhold these documents from the public and enter this order. What are your thoughts regarding this matter? If you have any comments, any questions, please leave them here. All of your thoughts and feedback are greatly appreciated. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. Thank you very much for joining us here today.